Hello, Jocelyn. We just got done doing our history taking, and now we're going to do our physical examination on the shoulder joints. Okay? So what we're going to do first is that I'm going to take a look at your shoulders, okay, bilaterally, anterior and posteriorly. I'm going to inspect the scapula on both sides bilaterally. So turn like this, and I'm inspecting the related muscles near the scapula, and then I'm also inspecting the shoulder, and the shoulder also anteriorly. Okay, what I'm inspecting or looking for is swelling, deformity, redness, muscle atrophy, nodules, and joint symmetry. Okay. So, and then now what we're going to do is we're going to do in range of motion, and want to see that you can move the shoulder joint without any pain or limitation. Okay. So the first thing we'll have you do, and just kind of follow me as I kind of do these motions. I'll explain it, but at the same time, just watch what I'm doing. Okay. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you raise your arms here and behind your neck like this, and clasp your fingers together, and then you're going to extend those shoulders out like this. Okay? Alright, and then from there, you're going to put your hands down here in zero position. Okay? And then I'm going to have you come out 90 degrees. Okay? And then go up 180 degrees. Alright? And then come back down to zero position. Okay? Then I'm going to have you come up to 180 degree, flex 180 degrees, okay? And then come down and flex backwards 60 degrees, okay? And then back to zero. And then I'm going to have you abduct your arms here like this and about 30 degrees, okay? And then I'm going to have you put your hand behind your small of your back here. Very good. Okay. And then bring it back up down into the back of your neck like this. Okay. All right. Very good. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to palpate the shoulders bilaterally, and what I'm going to be looking for is any tenderness or any swelling. Okay. And what I'm going to palpate is the acromioclavicular joint. Okay, which is right here. I'm also going to look at the biceps groove, okay, which is about right here. And then I'm also going to look at the coracoid process, okay, which is back here, right here. So it's just in here. So coracoid process right here, acromial clavicular joint right about here, okay. Biceps tendon groove is here, and then the greater tubercle of the humerus is right about here. Okay, and then the glenohumeral joint. All right, and then the last thing will be the subdeltoid bursa. Okay, and what I'm checking for is any kind of palpating for any kind of pain or tenderness or any fluid. Okay, so I'm just gonna. Is anything right here painful for you? No. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and check this side as well. Just maintain a little bit like this. Okay. All right. Okay, good. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do the Hawkins impingement test. Okay, and this is for any supraspinatus tendinosis. Okay, and this would be like rotator cuff in your shoulder. And what we'll have you do is I'm going to grab your back of your elbow here and your wrist here, and that we're going to flex the arm just a little bit, and then I'm going to rotate. Is there any pain when I do this? Okay. Is there any pain if I do this? Okay. All right, and then let's do it the other one. Is there any pain? Tenderness? Okay. All right, perfect. And that is it, and everything looks good. Thank you.